don't know what it is. It's a tarpon. It's a big one. Holy crap. This may be too big. Come on. Oh, I think he's off. Gosh darn it. Holy cow, that was a monster. Is he off? No, he's not off. He just stopped running. Now he's off. Nope. Jeez. Come on. Oh, okay, he's out in the open. Jeez. This is definitely the biggest one I've caught. Come on, you big stinker. That's it. And I have Led Zeppelin on. Oh. Whew. He's not pulling line the way he did on that first run. Okay, he's getting closer. I do not want to go back under the bridge. Put this thing in reverse. That's it. You might be able to tow me, but you can't tow me in reverse. Well, yes you can. Okay, gotta go for it. Come on. You gotta be tiring out. Man, am I glad I got the camcorder or the GoPro. That's it. He's in the shadow, but come on, god dang it. Come this way. He really wants to stay in there. That's it. Now we're going my way. don't go. Oh, god dang it. He's going around that one. Where is he now? I do not want this guy in my lap. Oh, he is a monster. Yeah, he's tiring. He's tiring. I'm tiring. Oh, what a pig.